Chief Electoral Officer Uba FR Kharkungor ula penteba ka Kynhun jangka Election Commission of India ECI kan sawan poi Nongbah Shillong ha ka jingwan Ïuhkjat ka arsngi ha ka Tarik Bnai Kyllalyngk ban petbnya ya ka Shillong jingman balakran jangka jela Meghalaya ha ka bedai bat ki election ka ban sawan ka Kynhun ECI kan sadon katu kat nitli ki program ki ban kintup ru ya ka jing penlong ya ka jingelang bat ki sengsan hima bat ki jingelang petbnya bat ki he ki han ka jela Kani ke Kynhun kan sa syong jingelang ru bat ki DC bat SP jong barok khat artli ki district bat kan sa don ru ka jingya pleu jingmut bat ki tanat trekam kum ka tanat income tax ka Kynhun BSF ka tanat custom bat ki wei ha ka step khat lai trik u Kyllalyngk kani ka Kynhun kan sa sam ya ki epic card sha ki temen ki kro ki briu ki baduna ha ki dukhat mat ki jongki ki samla ki kenthai bat ki wei bat kin sa company jingmut ru halor ka jing thap vote da ka akor bat ka buram halor ki EVM bat ki VVPAT.
These are some of the arrangements. Apart from that, the regular voter awareness programs through our sweep campaign, it will go ahead. We have a Mission 300. Mission 300 basically is targeting 5 ACs per constituency with low turnout as against state average. So 81,000 against the total population, against total electorate of 21,000, it's almost about 3.5% plus if you work out the in terms of percentage. So even the rest of India, it is not more than 2%. So I think we are one of the states which has one of the better averages in terms of youth enrollment.
Ya ki met yap jong ki arngut ki khna ki